Now let's look at the fern stitch on the right. It looks similar to the fly stitch we just made, but the embroidery method is quite different. Let's start with this pattern. Let me demonstrate. Using 3 strands of color number 2. First, bring up at the upper left. Insert at the center point. Then bring up from above. Again, insert at the center. Then bring up at the upper right. Again, return to insert at the center. This stitch is similar to straight stitch. It's a relatively simple technique, perfect for flowers and plants, creating very realistic effects. Insert the last stitch. Let's look at the finished result. Now let's look at the left pattern. This is another type of fern stitch. It connects individual fern stitches together. Let me demonstrate. Using 3 strands of color number 4. Again, bring up at the upper left. Insert at the center. Then bring up from above. Return to insert at the center. Then bring up at the upper right. Again, return to insert at the center. It's the same as the single fern stitch we just learned. The difference is that it's connected. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. The connected fern stitch is perfect for plant and leaf embroidery, achieving great results. Insert the last stitch. This fern stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.